We're looking at number 12. Number 12 wants us to find the length of DC. So that's our goal for this. We're trying to find DC. We'll call that X. So the first thing we see is we have three triangles. We have one right here, one right here, and one right here. But we're just going to focus on this triangle and this triangle for it. So we have to start with this triangle, and the only side that they share, these two triangles, is this right here. So we're trying to solve for first this y that I denoted. We're trying to find BC so we can use our trig ratios first with it. So let's focus in on, I'm going to focus on this triangle first. So we can find y. Once we find y, we can find x. Okay? So that's how this problem is going to work. Alright, so first, we need to see what trig functions we're going to use. Sine of an angle is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Then we have cosine of an angle, which is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Then we have tangent of an angle, which is equal to opposite over adjacent. So first we have right here, we're looking for y, and y's relation to 54 is its opposite, and we do have the hypotenuse. So for this we are going to use sine first. We are going to use sine. So the sine of 54 degrees is equal to y over 20. From here we're trying to find out what the value of y is, so we have to isolate it, multiply both sides by 20. So from here you get 54 sine times 20, you get 16.2, we'll round it to. So you get 16.2 equals y. So that's our y value. So from here, we're going to try to find this side. So here, we know a right angle is formed right here. We know we're not looking for a hypotenuse, so we don't have to use tan. We aren't looking for a hypotenuse, so we're not going to use cosine or sine. So that means we're going to be looking for tan. That's my mistake. So let's just see what we have. We do have a length here now, so we just need to find the value of x. So we are using tangent. So the tan of 28 degrees is equal to 16.2 over the value of x, because we have opposite, which is 16.2, and our adjacent, which is x. So first we're going to multiply both sides by x. Multiply both sides by x. We get x times the tangent of 28 degrees is equal to 16.2. We want to isolate x because that's the goal. It's to find CD or DC. So we divide by tan of 28. Divide by tan of 28. Cancels. We get x is equal to 16.2 divided by the tan of 28 degrees. So from here, all you have to do is use your calculator. 16.2 divided by the tan, 16.2 divided by 28 tan equals, and you get about 30.4. So here, x would equal about 30.46, which would be 30.5 if we round to the 10th. One more time, 16.2 divided by 28 tan equals, and you get about 30.5. Alright, and that's how you would do number 12.